Hey guys, welcome back to the new video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn about how to make a to-do list using ReactJS. We will be creating a to-do list app to understand the basics of ReactJS. We will be working with functional based component in this application and use the React Bootstrap module to style the components. So this to-do list can add a new task. We can also delete the task by clicking on them. The logic is handled by click events handler. Whenever the user click on a particular task, it gets deleted from the list. So let's have a quick look at how the final application will look like. So as you can see, this is the final look. Okay, this is very beautiful UI we have to make in this video. So suppose if I want to add new task, what I can do basically, if I click on add, and then I can add a new to-dos. Like suppose if I click on like your thoughts, and I can add reading here over here. So suppose if I put reading, if I click on save changes, this will add it to the list. Okay, let's add another list. Suppose if I want to add a YouTube video editing. Okay, so if I click on save changes, this will also add it to the list. Suppose the last one I have to add the list. Okay, so what I can do, eating and reading, what should I do next? Suppose what we can do, basically adding to the list, anything you can add, suppose. Okay, so there are three list of to-dos. Okay, so what I can do, suppose if I want to delete a particular item from the list, what I can do, just click on this arrow button, and if I click on remove, this will remove from the list. Okay, and there is another button which is this icon, you can see. So if I click on this icon, this will remove the whole listing of a to-dos. So I hope you like this video, and after that, what you can do, suppose if you are facing any problem during making this project, so you can just refer this site. I have already dropped all the source code over here, so just I will mention the link, okay, in the description box. You will find it. Okay, if you go to the channel, there are so many videos also available, okay, for the React.js mini projects. Okay, so you will also uh, make these projects, which is very helpful for you, and you will learn a lot. So let's build this application from starting. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe for more upcoming videos.